Controlling cycle, day 3. We have here a clinical example. A female patient, 27 years old. Okay. Young woman had several spontaneous abortions. Since she was 23, she had become pregnant 6 times, but never carried the pregnancy through more than a few weeks. She was rather athletic, slim, and ate mostly fruits and salad, yung mga kinakain niya, tsaka kung gaano siya ka-active. Her menstrual cycles were 24 to 26 days long, and she tended to bleed. She had a 9-year-old daughter. Her mother see her quite often. In fact, 2 miscarriages occurred after a flight. Masyadong busy. A very busy man, she was determined to have another baby and kept trying again and again. So dito, yung tower diagram po ng spleen is so much deficient, and the urinary bladder, yang po niya ay mataas, sobrang excess naman, and deficient po yung yin, okay? So, explanation. The uterus is directly related to the organ urinary bladder, and the above patient's uterus had a problem holding and continuing to nourish a pregnancy. The uterine endometrium did not proliferate and thicken as it should during the pregnancy. Okay, this is a yin and blood deficiency. The yang, however, is hyperactive and eliminates the fetus. So yun. There is insufficient yin to control the urinary bladder, a yang organ. The yin and bladder may be deficient because the spleen is poorly nourished. Also, the fact that the patient was always rushing around may not help the kidney yin. Okay? So let's go to the treatment. The initial treatment consisted of changing the patient's eating habits. Yan. She was asked to eat more cooked and warm food, mainly grains, protein, and cooked vegetables instead of salads. Okay, remember po niyo yan. She became quite depressed when she had to cook. Niluluto pala yung fruits. Then, she had to reduce her doing only Tai Chi and swimming in moderation. She had to do this not only during pregnancy, but all for one. She was asked to wait 6 months before she became pregnant, while she prepared environment in her reproductive system for a baby. Okay? Okay. Wag malamig ang environment. Kailangan warm. The points of these patients were to tonify the spleen 6 and stomach 43. To tonify the kidney and urinary bladder yin, use REN3, the move front point of the urinary bladder, kidney 4, which is the low connecting point, and urinary bladder 40, okay? The above examples illustrated yin deficiencies causing hyperactive yang in the control organ.